What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Family, we got another solid week ahead of us in the market. A lot of the low cap and mid-range tickers that we've been following are reporting this week. You already know the drill. We play the pre-earnings run-up, the pullbacks, and the post-earnings reactions. We do not hold through the reportings. Understand the assignment. We only trade the setups before and after. We got a lot to talk about. We're going to go ahead and dive into it in a second, but do me a favor. Y'all go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Throw that earnings calendar up. If you look at this one right here, you check it out. We have Palantir. They report Monday at closing. You got Hims and Her. They report Monday at closing. If you scroll over, you see you got Uber Tuesday before opening. You got AMD, another big one that we watch. They report Tuesday at closing. You got SMCI. That's a good one. They report Tuesday at closing. You go over to Wednesday. You got ticker symbol HOOD, Robinhood. They report at the closing bell. Family, this is a lot of good stuff that we can get down and get busy on. That's not that high-end stuff. Yeah, the prices might be a little jacked up because of the earnings that they gonna report this week, but man, it's some good ones. You got Hut on here, you got Sound on here that report Thursday at closing, and you got DraftKings that report Thursday at closing. It's a lot of stuff to be excited about in this week. Again, if you're not playing the pre-earnings, then watch what they do after earnings, and when the market open up, once they give you that direction, you able to get busy if they trying to pull this thing down, or either if they trying to boom that thing up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and lock in and dive into these charts to see if we can identify a good setup to be able to dominate what these plays are trying to do this upcoming week. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First ticker out of the gate is gonna be ticker symbol SMCI. They report Tuesday at closing. If you are a bull in this one, they're sitting at 51.95. You want to see them get somewhere above these shoulders right here at 52.40. If they can open higher than that, they're going to shoot their shot right back to these tops at 53. If they can hold there, you got another area of interest at 53.35, and then boom, they're going to run this thing up to 54.05. Next push up is going to be to 54.86. And if they can get through that top right there, you got some more areas of interest at 56.25, and then they ready to shoot their shot back up to 56.60. Expect the bears to try to pop that thing right back down at that level. To the downside, you want to see us open somewhere around this level right here, 50.75. If they can do that right there, their next shot is going to be turbulence at 50.30. Losing that level right there, you got boom, 48.75 in play. Next level down, they're going to push this thing to 47.40. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol HIMS. They report Monday at closing. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open somewhere around these tops right in here at 46 even. Let's say 46.05. They can do that right there. They're going to try to shoot their shot. You got 46.35, and then back to these tops here at 46.95. Turbulence at 47.95, and then they can start climbing that ladder higher. You got 48.50 in play, and they can keep running this thing up to this 49.10 area before the bears start trying to shoot them back down. To the downside, simple. You want to clear these bottoms right here at 45 even. They can start doing that and showing pressure. You got boom, 44.05 in play. Next push down is going to be to this level, 42.60. Advanced traders, y'all come on up. We got a couple for you. The first one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol AMD. Family, we've been following this one for quite some time, and look at them. They have been booming, sitting up here in the mid 250s. They're at 256.05. If you are a bull, you want them to open higher than these tops over here at 258.30. They can do that right there. Their next shot is going to be to these middles over here at 260.10, and then boom, you got 262.10 in play. Consolidating above that, you see these tops to where they've been getting smacked at in that 262 area. They're going to try to shoot their shot right up to this 263.85. Next level up is these tops, 265.10, and then boom, you got 267.15. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than these bottoms right here at 253.50. They can do that, and their next push down is going to be to 250.95. Next ticker up is the one a lot of people going to be paying attention to as well. You got ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir. And this one, they have cracked that 200 mark. But if you are a bull and you plan this to the upside, you want to see us open higher than 201.65. They can do that. They're going to try to run it back up to those tops at 204.30 before their next breakout to the upside. To the downside, you want to see us open somewhere around 197.95. They can do that right there. They're going to shoot their shot down to 196.20. Turbulence down to 194.40. A little more area of interest at 192.95, and then boom, they coming up under that 190 area. But again, family, Palantir is in all-time highs. They've knocked on that door already. We know what Wall Street like to do when plays hit all-time highs. They like to bring that thing back, and dramatically. So again, if you plan these plays, make sure your stop loss is in check. That way, once they start bringing that thing down, it's kicking you out in profit. That stop loss is a lifesaver, especially when Wall Street is getting busy and they're setting up those traps. Gotta set it. Protect your portfolio against catastrophic losses. All right, guys, next ticker up for you is going to be ticker symbol HOOD, one of my personal favorites. They're sitting at 146.75. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them clear these tops over here. You see where they created a top here, and they came back down. They got to clear those. You got 148.50. They can open up higher than that. They coming up to this level, 150.10. Consolidating above gives you, boom, 152.85. They can light this place up holding above there. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than 144.85. They can do that. Next push down is going to be this target here at 143.60. Next level down, you have 141.90. Consolidate under that, you got, boom, 137.15 in play. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. We not going to get out of here without showing you guys some love. First one out of the gate is going to be TSLA. And Tesla, they're sitting at 456.55. If you are a bull, you need to see them open higher than this decision-making level at 459.10. If they can do that right there, their next push up is going to be to this 465.10. If they can break and hold, consolidate above there, check this run out. Boom, you got 473.65 in play. To the downside, you want to see us open lower than 450.80. If they can do that right there, they're going to shoot it right back down to these middles down here at 447.90. Next level down, you got 443.65, and then this decision-making level at 439.40 before they start trying to bring it all the way back down to 432. Next ticker up is going to be SPY. And this one right here, they're sitting at 681.99. If you are a bull, you need to see them get back to these tops at 684.95. You see where they rejected here? They rejected right here. Power Hour played games with them. They were ready to be off and running. If it wasn't Power Hour, Bulls is trying to shoot this thing all the way up to this 688.90. But another reason why, Fresh do not play any plays in Power Hour, because I hate that manipulation. I hate the games and the traps that Wall Street play in that particular hour. They go against all trends, all technicals, and all that good stuff. It could be pumping and ready to run to a certain particular area that they normally run to. And then Wall Street say, nope, pull that thing right back down, end up smoking you. And as you see, look at those candles right here. I mean, they gave you a sign they was ready to drop this thing. They gave you the tweezer tops. And you know, if you rock with me, we have dominated the tweezer tops, the double tops, but even more when you in these plays, they always try to form signs to let you know they ready to play their games. Look left. What do you see over here? If I'm playing in Power Hour and I see this, you know what? Let me go ahead and get out of my play. Wall Street ready to play their games. They ready to throw that curveball at you and drop this thing. And that's exactly what they did over here. They got to that level and they went ahead and dropped us. You want to see them open up. They can do that. Their next level and push is going to be 688.80. To the downside, you want to see us open lower than those bottoms at 679.10. They can do that right there. They can fall really hard. They got a lot of room to drop. You got 676.70 in play, and they can slow grind this thing all the way back down to this 666 area. All right, family, that's all the tickers I have for you today. If you didn't see your ticker get called over here in this video right here, make sure you in the Discord, because if you didn't see it here, you already know you're going to get it over there throughout the session. For everybody else, I'll see you guys first thing in the morning in the Discord. Until then, if you like Sniper Tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, with grinding, good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.